Hello everyone and welcome specially to this channel. In this video I want us to talk about cancer. I know that cancer is one disease that a lot of us have mixed feelings about. Probably because we have lost a loved one to cancer, or maybe currently we have someone who is going through difficult times due to cancer. But you see, there's a need for us to understand what this disease is all about and how it's being treated. But before we delve into all of that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that now. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, by clicking the like button, because that way you let us know that what we're doing is making sense and we'll be motivated to do more of these kind of videos. And lest I forget, you can also be part of this discussion by letting us know what you think in the comment section. If you have a question to ask or you feel you disagree with whatever I have said, I'd like to hear from you in the comment section down below. And so without wasting much of our time, let's delve into it. So for us to understand what cancer is all about, let us look at the human body. You see, the human body is made up of millions of cells. And in each of these cells, you find an instruction manual. This instruction manual is referred to as the DNA. And just like every other instruction manual or a book, you find chapters. So this DNA also has chapters referred to as genes. The function of these genes is to tell the cells how to behave, when to divide in order to make new ones, and even when to die when they are old or damaged. When cells divide, they make new ones. And inside these new cells, they also have the exact same copies of the instruction manuals as the parent cells. But you see, sometimes this instruction manual, this DNA instruction manual can become damaged or mutated, as a result of chemicals or environmental factors, or even as a result of some genetic influences. Now, these cells that contain this mutated DNA or mutated genes, become rogue cells. Rogue cells because they no longer pay attention to the signals of the instruction manual. They begin to divide uncontrollably, unchecked, and this gives rise to what we call cancer. These cells that keep on dividing without following any instruction are referred to as cancerous cells. Now, sometimes these cells, these cancerous cells, can be localized at a particular point of the body and form a tumor. Some other times, these cancerous cells will become metastatic. Metastatic in the sense that they will spread to other parts of the body, disrupting the normal functioning of the body tissues in the places that they travel to. Now, let's talk about how cancer is being treated. Before treatment, the first thing the doctor does is to carry out a genomic testing, to determine the level of damage that has been done to the DNA and also to determine the stage of the cancer. Now, after the doctor has ascertained that, there are different options that the doctor can deploy. One of them is to carry out a surgery. A surgery removes the tumor from that part of the body where the cancerous cells are. Another option is to use radiation in small doses. This is used to target the cancerous cells in very specific regions of the body. You also have the chemotherapy, which is used to target, so many cancerous cells that have spread to other parts of the body. Then you have the targeted therapy drugs, that are used to target the specific regions of the DNA that are being mutated. And of course, this targeted drug therapy is less toxic and even more efficient than chemotherapy. We also have the option of immunotherapy. This is where we rely on the power of the body's own immune system to kill these cancerous cells. With this few information that I've shared with us about cancer, I'm sure we now have a sketchy idea or basic idea of what it is really about and how it's being treated. There are a lot of other information that we need to know about cancer, but we'll be discussing that in future videos. Thank you very much for being part of this discussion. Like I stated earlier, if you have a question, please let us know in the comment section. And if you have more information to share about cancer, please use the comment section as well. If you disagree with me in any way, let us learn together. Share your opinions in the comment section. I will be very grateful to hear from you. So until we meet again in our next video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just click the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Click the like button and don't also forget to click the notification so that the next time we post a video here, you'll be the first to see it. See you in our next video.